With energy costs rising and companies increasingly looking to reduce carbon emissions and create sustainable practices, businesses are constantly searching for solutions to help reduce their energy requirements. The Air Pear Thermal Equalizer by Airius can help achieve this goal with its range of thermal destratification fans for any working environment. When heating an internal space, heating systems have to constantly over-deliver in order to replace heat that naturally rises to the ceiling, which in turn causes layers of different temperatures to occur from floor to ceiling. This is called thermal stratification. According to facility experts, the single biggest waste of energy in buildings today is thermal stratification. Air Pear destratification fans use our exclusive patented stator technology to effectively and simply equalize these internal air temperatures. Easy to install, inexpensive to run, ultra-quiet and requiring virtually zero maintenance, Air Pear fans using turbine technology can be installed into any building with ceiling heights from 8 to 100 feet. In effect, from small offices to the largest manufacturing, retail, grocery or other commercial space. The units send air in a tight, direct column to the floor and will equalize temperatures to no more than 0 to 3 degrees from floor to ceiling and wall to wall for energy-saving destratification. This simple process has enormous impact. In both new builds and retrofits, it can dramatically reduce your heating costs. In some cases, cutting these costs by over a third. It can also significantly reduce your cooling costs by keeping the cooled air circulating. Installation is straightforward, with no need for ducting, and the Air Pear units will work alongside your existing heating, ventilation and air conditioning system, reducing its cycling time while reducing wear and tear. Installing the Air Pear system will contribute to a building's LEED rating points, increasing its level of sustainability, decreasing its energy usage. The payback period is remarkably short, with most installations being based on an ROI of between 12 to 30 months. In addition, you will be reducing your CO2 emissions and carbon footprint. In some cases, installations can be eligible for energy rebate programs from your area utility or local government programs. The Air Pear system can benefit every working environment and has been installed by customers cutting energy costs in manufacturing, warehouse, automotive, grocery, retail, pharmaceutical, sports, horticultural and military facilities. Since 2004, Airius has sold more than 45,000 Air Pear fan units to a wide range of private and government organisations, including city and county governments, the Air Force, National Guard and Army, as well as blue-chip companies such as Whole Foods, Natural Grocers, British Airways, Land Rover, Ford, Johnson Controls and Pfizer. To benefit from reduced energy costs and adhere to ongoing sustainable business practices, then contact the thermal destratification specialists at Air Pear by Airius.